Is that a drumstick? It is a drumstick! What flavor is it? Vanilla. Like we're just talking about an ice cream right now. Hi. Hang out with me, I miss you. I miss you so much. How are you? Advice on how to get a boyfriend. Just be yourself. I don't know. I'm really awkward, so I don't know how that happened. Are you trying to cover your whole room with pictures? Yeah. I ordered more of these pictures in a different pack, and I'm gonna put them in my room somewhere. And then more film pictures, obviously. So. Someone said ketchup with grilled cheese is amazing. Yeah. It's so good. You don't notice me anymore. Hashtag sad. I'm sorry. Hi. So any of you and Isaac? Maybe? Well, there's one of Isaac's face. Right there. And there's also one right there. But we don't have one together. I don't know why. But yeah, here are the new photos. If you want to see them up close. Those are new ones. Those are some from tour. Nice meeting you the other day. Oh, you too, Cody. My face looks... I have like one pic from like... What's it called?